Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make Jian Bing, one of my favourite Beijing snacks. So for the ingredients we need an egg, wonton pastry deep fry, spring onion, lettuce, sweet bean paste, chili bean sauce, sweet hoisin sauce, plain flour, moong flour, millet flour and some cooking oil, which I forgot to put in this video. We're going to chop some spring onion and put it into a bowl. I would suggest to put the fryer on to fry the wonton pastries for later, or you can cook it the day before you're actually doing this. For this recipe we can make 3 Jian Bings. We need 60 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of millet flour and 30 grams of moong flour. Add 240 milliliters of water. Add the remaining water into the bowl and then keep on whisking. Add a pinch of salt. Add a little amount of cooking oil and whisk until there's no more clumps. So we're doing 3 Jian Bings and we need 2 wonton pastries for each Jian Bing. So cut 2 vertical lines with an inch space into the wonton pastry. So this is to ensure that it doesn't fold when it's frying. You don't have to cut them separately, you can just do 2 at the same time. So you throw your wontons into the fryer and then you just give it a few seconds until you flip them over. So at the final stage, preheat the crepe or pan to medium heat and set the sauces and equipment in place. Add a bit of cooking oil to coat the surface of the pan or the crepe maker. Add a scoop of batter. The amount I'm using here is half a cup, which is roughly 118 ml. Now use the spreader and go side to side and up and down. Use the spreader to swirl around to get the circle shape. Ensure there's no holes. If there are holes, just quickly cover it with the batter. Now we leave this to cook for a few minutes. We're looking for crispy sides, bubbles, or you can move the batter easily. Then we can put egg on top. Now add the egg. As soon as you crack the egg, move the egg around. As you can see, I left the egg a bit too long. I was actually looking for the spatula, so yeah, don't follow what I did just then. Add some spring onion, as much as you want. So eyeball the egg until it's sort of cooked and ready to be flipped over. If the egg's sort of cooked, just flip it over. Good luck. Lower the heat at this point. Brush on some chili bean paste. Now brush on some sweet bean paste. Add a squirt of sweet hoisin sauce. Add 2 of the fried wonton pastries. You can crack the wonton pastries a bit. Add some lettuce. Now here comes the tricky part. Now fold each side using the spatula. Be careful, it's very hot as well. Tap the belly a little and then fold it. Congratulations, you made a Jian Bing. I hope you like it. So here's my second attempt in fast speed and a lot cleaner. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!